Hello friends, so today right now I am at Kedarnath temple, so which is at the height of 12,000 meter. So approximately I got a bless of Lord Shiva along with the Krishna and Arjuna, because this temple was established by the Arjuna and Pandava along with Draupadi to worship when they were in exile. So it is one of the most beautiful places, and this temple is also declared as one of the Jyotirlinga of India by the Adi Shankaracharya, which is an Adi Shankaracharya Math and the Samadhi Astal also located here. So let's go together with me and learn lots of things regarding this temple. Thank you so much.
So we can see the Kriyan mountain range is visible from the here from Kedarnath temple, and it's really it's time of the sun rising. Sun rising is also sun is also rising in this time. So it's looking so nice in this morning time, and right now the time is 5:30 early morning. So I am in queue to take the place of Lord Shiva in Kedarnath temple. So let's see how much time I will take to reach to the temple. So first of all, I took bus from the Haridwar and I came in Sonprayag at 1 p.m. After 9 hours of journey, and I bought and purchased my ticket from there Haridwar, and I paid 550 rupees for Sonprayag Sitapur bus stand. So from Sonprayag Sitapur bus stand, I took sharing cab and reached to the Gaurikund, where I started my Kedarnath trek journey from distance of 18 km from there, Gaurikund. And then I started my Kedarnath Yatra from 2 p.m. approx, and after 8 to 9 hours of mountain trek of Kedarnath, I reached to the Kedarnath at 9:30 p.m. in night. And next morning on 28 October 2024, I got a divine darshan of Sri Kedarnath. So let's see the view of the Kedarnath temple. I am feeling so awesome here, and after taking the darshan in this time I am here. So many more devotees came to visit this temple, so I am going to explain about this temple. So literally the meaning of Kedarnath is the temple of the god of the field, which is one of the most beautiful temple which is located and in the Uttarakhand, and this temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga of India, which is located on the Garhwal Himalaya on the region near the Mandakini river in the state of Uttarakhand. So due to extreme weather conditions, the temple is open to the generally public only between the months of April, Akshaya Tritiya from and till November, Kartik Purnima, because of the extreme weather condition and heavy snowfall. So the autumn full moon. So during the winters, the bigger deity of the temple is carried down to the Ukti Mutt to be worshipped for the next 6 months. So Kedarnath is seen as a homogeneous form of Shiva, the Lord of Kedarkhand, and the historical home of the region. So the temple is not directly accessible by road and has to be reached by 18 kilometers uphill trek from Gaurikund. And the Kedarnath temple, which was built by Pandavas to atone for their sins committed during the Kurukshetra war. So thus they hand over the reign of their kingdom to their king and left in search of Lord Shiva and to seek his blessing. But Lord Shiva wanted to avoid them and assumed to form of a bull, and which is called as a Nandi. So at that time, Bhima, the second son of the 5 Pandava brothers, they saw the bull grazing near Guptkashi, which is name derived from the hiding act of Lord Shiva. So Bhima immediately recognized the bull and to be Shiva, and Bhima caught hold of the bull by its tail and hind legs with the hump rising in Kedarnath, the arms appearing in Tungnath, and the hand showing up at Kedarnath, the navel, navi, and the stomach suffocating in the Madhameswar, and the hair appearing in Kapaleswar, which is called as the Panchprayag temple. First one is the in all over the Panchprayag, first one is the Kedarnath, Tungnath, Rujnath, Madhameswar, and Kapaleswar, which is located in one series. And the Pandavas pleased with the reappearance in the 5 different forms, where they built the temple at the 5 places for venerating and worshipping Shiva, and these 5 places which is collectively known as the Panch Kedar. So after building the Panch Kedar temples, the Pandava meditate at Kedarnath for salvation, performed yag through, then they took heaven path called the Mahapanth or Swargarohini to attain salvation, nirvana, which is called as a moksha also. So it's a very religious place. And in Mana village, which is close to the Badrinath, that is called as a Swargarohini path. Then the Kedarnath temple was revived and rebuilt by the Adi Shankaracharya, who was a 18th century philosopher and a scholar called as a Adi Shankaracharya Samadhi Asthal, which is located opposite of the Kedarnath temple. So it is also one of the most beautiful place where many more pilgrims are coming to visit this temple, and a statue and Samadhi resting place of the Adi Shankaracharya. So let's see and learn lots of things about me and explore about the Adi Shankaracharya. So stay updated. Thank you so much. So Adi Shankaracharya temple was revived by and rebuilt by the 18th century philosopher and scholar Adi Shankaracharya, who is called as the first and father of philosopher in India. So Adi Shankaracharya, who also got or attained salvation Mahasamadhi at Kedarnath, his samadhi is located just behind the Kedarnath temple. So Adi Shankaracharya was an Indian Vedic scholar, philosopher, and preacher of Advaita Vedanta. Reliable information on Shankaracharya's actual life is scanty, and his true impact lies in the iconic representation of Hindu religion and culture. So Adi Shankaracharya, who was born in Kalarli, which is located 10 km from the Aluva and Kochi in Ernakulam district in the state of Kerala, so which is called as the birthplace of the great humanitarian and great Advaita philosopher Adi Shankaracharya, who was a very great, who introduced and declared as a Char Dham in India along with the 12 Jyotirling, mostly temples visited by him. So who established the Char Dham in India, that is called as a Dwarika in west, Puri Jagannath in east, and Badrinath in north, and Rameswaram in south side. So these are the four Char Dham of Yatra, which was introduced by him, and to once in Hinduism everyone should have to must visit the Char Dham in India in all over the 4 direction. So it's very good place, and I am also feeling awesome here after coming to visit and doing meditation in front of Adi Shankaracharya temple and Kedarnath temple. So even the Panch Kedarnath temple are constructed in the North Indian Himalayan temple architecture, with the Kedarnath, Tungnath and Madhameswar temples looking similar, which built from large heavy grey slabs of stone and features a conical Shiva lingam. So the presiding image of the Kedarnath in the form of lingam is more triangular in shape, with a so there is a small pillared hall in front of the temple, and that has image of Parvati and of the 5 Pandavas princes. So the first hall inside Kedarnath temple contains a statue of the 5 Pandavas brother Krishna, Nandi, the vehicles of Shiva, a statue of Draupadi and other deities were also installed in the main hall. So in this time, this is a night view of this Kedarnath temple. So let's see and feel in the night how it's looking. There is also extreme cold at the night, 0 degrees Celsius. I'm also feeling extremely cold here during the night time. So an unusual features of the temples, in the heart of the temples a man carved in the triangular stone lingam, and such a temple nearly constructed on the site where the marriage of Shiva and Parvati also held. So Kedarnath Tirth Purohits are the ancient Brahmins of the region. Their ancestors have been worshipped the lingam since the time of Nar Narayana and the Daksh Prajapati. So King Janmejaya, who was a grandson of the Pandavas, gave them the right of worshipping their temples and donated them the whole Kedar region, and they here been worshipped pilgrims